have a 2012 Toyota Sienna, the 3.5 engine liter. I am working on the door lock actuator. Now you can see the right door is not working, but I'm going to show you. Here's the driver door. I'm going to press locked and unlocked. Now you can see the lock is unlocked, locked, unlocked. Now on that one, when I press the lock button, it doesn't do anything, and the unlock button doesn't do anything either. Now I'm gonna test the passenger side for you to see. Locked, unlocked. You can see it's not even moving. And on the driver's side, you can see the lock. It's locked and unlocked. So I have the connector connected to the new one, and this is on the right side. Now I'm gonna press lock and unlocked. You can see the little lever right here moving up and down. Here's the part number for the new one, the door lock assembly right there. I'm back on the driver's side. I'm going to show you another way to put power in to check the assembly, to check if the motor is working or not. So you can see 2 pins right there. Now that 2 pin is, which is red and black. You can see. You can see red and black, power and ground. So I'm not worrying about the little ones. So I'm going to show you how to put power in and see if the door actually locked and unlocked. So I have my ground lead on one of the pins, and I'm going to put power into the top pin, which is this one, and you're going to see the lock, unlocked, and locked. Okay, now I'm going to put power in. You see that? Now I flipped my alligator clip to the top one. I'm going to put power into the bottom pin. Now you're going to see the door locked. Okay, see that? So what I just showed you was I'm confirming with you that this actuator that's working, because I just put power into it and it pulls the lock open and close. Now I'm gonna show you the other side. The actuator is dead. Now I'm gonna show you the passenger side, the right side. This one's a different color, but don't matter. I'm not worrying about the little wires. I'm just gonna put power and ground into those 2 big pins right there. You can see 12 volts right there. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Alligator lead on the bottom pin, and I'm gonna put power to the top one. Now you're gonna see when I put power in, the lock doesn't want to lock or open. Now let's see. See? You see how it's quiet? Did not move at all. See? Did not work, right? I'm gonna flip it. Now I'm gonna put power into the bottom pin, and you can see it's not moving at all. So this is telling me that the actuator is dead. It's dead because I just put power in and it will not unlock that. Now to remove it, you're gonna take out the 3 Torx bolts. Behind the assembly, you're gonna see this pin that's locking down to it. So you're gonna kind of pull it up and remove it. You're gonna have to remove the 2 10mm bolts, the glass rail. You're gonna move it to the side to take this out. I got it on the new one, so I'll just kind of pop this off and pull the cable out. Same thing, pop this off and pull the cable out. Now I'm gonna lock it. There you go. I'm gonna put it back. Now you're gonna sneak that behind the rail. You're gonna sneak it, go in this way. You can see the inside. You can see the inside hooked down. into that little plastic piece, and the rear I got it backed on 2 bolts, and now I'm gonna tighten down the 3 Torx bolts. I'm gonna connect the connector back, and I'm gonna check. Now you can see it's unlocked and locked now. Before it didn't do it. Now the new motor is working, so we're good. Before, the customer complaint was when they unlocked the car, every single door opened except that one. So now I replaced the door lock assembly. Now it's good. Trying to control it with this, and it's good. I'm gonna check it with the car on too. It's good. It's good too. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me any comment. Anything you want to ask me, leave it under the comment. Try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.